Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making spicy beef quesadillas. Alright, I'm starting out in a skillet here. I have 2 small green bell peppers and a large onion I diced up, and I'm frying them in a 1/4 stick of butter that are about halfway cooked. Now I'm going to turn my heat down some. Now I have 2 chipotle peppers here in adobo sauce that I diced up fine. We're going to add that in. This is where our spice is going to come in, guys. And I'm also going to add in my seasonings. I'm going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And I cut my finger slicing up those vegetables, guys. That's why I have a Band-Aid on it. I'm going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of red crushed pepper flakes. And I'm going to put in some salt and pepper, and this is to taste. I'm going to go for about a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper and about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to give that a stir to get everything all incorporated, mixed together. Now I'm going to allow this to fry on low heat for just a minute for those flavors to blend together in there. Alright, now that I allowed my vegetables and my seasonings to fry together on low for a few minutes, I'm going to turn my heat off. And I have roughly a 3-pound London broil roaster. I put it in a slow cooker this morning with a 14.5 ounce can of beef broth and a little salt and pepper. And then I took it out and broke it up. I'm going to get that down into the vegetables. And it's going to help season the beef, guys. You could also use a chuck roast for this. Any cut of beef, as long as you put it in your slow cooker and let it go all day on low, it's going to come out fall apart tender. And I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to stir it all together to get the flavors blended through. Let me put this out of the way. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my heat, or my heat is already off. I'm going to set this aside off of the heat, and I'm going to get another pan to do our quesadillas in. Alright guys, I have a skillet here heating up, and this is a pretty large size one to handle our flour tortillas. I'm going to put some olive oil in here. You could also use butter, but I'm going a little healthier. Just want to put a layer down to cover the bottom of your pan. And I have my pan set on medium heat. We don't want it too high because we want these to heat through without burning the flour tortilla. Alright. Now I'm going to take a flour tortilla. These are pretty nice size, guys. I'm going to lay one down on my pan. Turn my heat down to about medium-low. I'm going to put some cheddar cheese in there. You can use any type of cheese you like. I just happen to have a lot of cheddar on hand I need to use up. I want to put a layer in there on your flour tortilla. This is going to be like our cement to stick the quesadillas together. And you want to keep your heat a little low because this isn't going to take much to brown up these flour tortillas. Alright, now I'm going to take some of that beef mixture that we put together, and I'm going to add a little bit in on top of the flour tortilla. I don't know if you guys can hear, Holly has a job working on the computer making phone calls asking like a survey questionnaires. It's a little side job she has. Alright, now I'm going to take more cheese and put it on there. And I'm going to take another flour tortilla and stick it on here. And I'm going to let this go on medium-low heat just for a minute. And then I'm going to turn it over and we'll brown the other side. Guys, I went ahead and put some chunky sauce on this. Now if you like sour cream, that would go great on this too, but I don't do sour cream. Let me get in here and give this a try. Dexter, you want some quesadillas? Huh? It's really good, guys. You get the crispiness of the tortilla being fried. You get that cheese nice and gooey. That beef is spicy and well seasoned, and you get that salsa on top. That's good. It wasn't hard at all, guys. Dexter urges you to give it a try. Alright, there you have it, guys. Spicy beef quesadillas. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.